Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm Viprajesh again from Ramani Volkswagen showroom in Coimbatore today, and I'm here with the brand new 2021 Volkswagen Polo Comfortline TSI entry-level variant. As you already know, the Volkswagen Polo hatchback is available with two engine options, namely the 1-litre MPI 3-cylinder naturally aspirated engine and the 1-litre TSI turbocharged petrol engine. Previously, the TSI petrol range started from the Highline variant only, with the mid-spec Comfortline variant available only with the MPI engine. However, now the Comfortline mid-spec variant is also available with the TSI petrol engine, mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. So now Volkswagen has made the Polo TSI range more affordable than before, but still, this being a Comfortline variant, it is still decently loaded with good enough features and even some surprising features for an entry-level variant. First, let's talk about the exteriors. Well, as we already know, even on the top spec variants, the Volkswagen Polo does not receive projector headlamps and neither does it get DRLs. However, from this entry-level Comfortline variant itself, front fog lamps along with cornering functions are standard. All variants of the Volkswagen Polo get this body skirting-like design elements as standard, along with the glossy black front grille. And just like the regular Comfortline variants, this Comfortline TSI variant also gets the very same dual-tone machine-cut 15-inch alloy wheels as standard. When viewed from the side profile, the Volkswagen Polo still looks very good and incredibly proportionate despite being 11 years old, thanks to this timeless design. And especially in this lapis blue color, this looks properly stunning. Coming towards the rear as well, the Volkswagen Polo Comfortline TSI variant just looks exactly the same as the regular Comfortline variant, with the 3D design tail lamps, the TSI badging on the right side of the tailgate, and the dual-tone rear bumper with body skirts. And yes, the Volkswagen Polo is the only premium hatchback in this category to provide rear windshield wiper washer and defogger as standard even on the entry-level Comfortline variant. So that pretty much sums up the exterior design and details of the Comfortline TSI variant of the Volkswagen Polo, which despite being 11 years old, is still a very attractive design, especially with this solid build quality and paint quality. So now let's get inside this car to explore the features. Yes friends, I am right now inside the brand new 2021 Volkswagen Polo Comfortline TSI entry-level variant of the TSI range. Yes, Volkswagen India has added a brand new entry-level variant for the turbocharged range of the Volkswagen Polo hatchback, and this is it. Basically, this is the exact same Comfortline variant which was previously available only with the 1-litre MPI naturally aspirated 3-cylinder engine, but now this variant is also available with the 1-litre TSI turbocharged petrol engine. And here's a look at the interior of this. So as you can see, this car gets pretty decent level of equipment as standard. To begin with, this car of course gets tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel as standard, and you also get front fog lamps and rear fog lamps as well, even on this entry level TSI variant. And this here is the headlamp leveler scroll over here. Well, apart from that, this car does not get cruise control or automatic headlamps or automatic wipers, which is completely fine for an entry-level variant. And you can also see that this steering wheel is really well built, very good to look at. However, it does not get leather wrapping, and neither does it get steering mounted audio controls as well. Now, talking about audio, you get a 2-DIN audio system as standard even on this entry-level Comfortline TSI variant. However, there are no audio controls. This system is compatible for Bluetooth connectivity, SD card, aux and USB, but this is not a touchscreen system. That means you do not get navigation system into this, and you also cannot get a color display as well. However, this Comfortline TSI entry-level variant itself gets automatic climate control, which is a really surprising thing on an entry-level variant. But this is not a big surprise because even the Skoda Rapids Rider variant gets automatic climate control, so that is fine. And this here is the very familiar 6-speed manual transmission, which is extremely slick and mated to this 1-litre TSI turbocharged petrol engine. It is going to be very awesome to drive, as well as you already saw on my drive review. Apart from that, everything else remains exactly the same when it comes to the interior. You get these cup holders over here lower down, and there is also a 12-volt charging socket right below the climate control console. And coming towards the back, you get the manual handbrake, and no armrest on this entry-level Comfortline TSI variant. That is available only on the top spec TSI variant. This here is a small cubby hole for your small storage things and all. There is this very large glove box which is available as standard across all variants, so that is a given. And this glove box is also cooled and illuminated, so that is pretty good. There are two very large bottle holders on both the front doors, so that is pretty good as well. You also get a day-night manual adjustable IRVM instead of auto-dimming one, which is completely understandable for this entry-level Comfortline TSI variant. And coming to the things which actually add value, this here is the very familiar analog cum digital instrument cluster of the Volkswagen Polo, which is standard across all variants. Even on the top spec variants, this instrument cluster remains exactly the same. And before turning on this car, let me just show you the key of this Comfortline TSI variant. This here is the flip key, and it looks pretty standard as seen on the Skoda Rapid and the Volkswagen Vento as well. And the secondary key is actually a normal key without a remote function, so that is completely all right. Starting inside the key, this is how everything looks like. Let me just start the engine because it is extremely hot today in Coimbatore. Turning off the fan speed. So this is how everything looks like when the engine is turned on. This instrument cluster is pretty standard and also provides external temperature display and all the things you need, including distance to empty, average efficiency, and so on. So this is a pretty standard affair. Everyone knows how this works, so that is completely all right. It is very easy and clear to read as well, even at high speeds. That is the advantage of this white and plain designed instrument cluster, standard across all variants of the Polo and the Vento. And the AC works absolutely fine, which is pretty good. And basically that's it. Coming to the driver door, of course you get all 4 power windows. However, there are only 2 power window switches. However, only the driver window gets one touch down function, no one touch up function even for the driver window alone, which is completely understandable. And you get electronically adjustable ORVMs. There is this engine immobilizer blinker over here, and center locking is available over here as well. Even on this entry-level Comfortline TSI variant, the door handles are finished in beautiful aluminum finish, which is really good in terms of quality and looks brilliant. And yes, of course, even on this Comfortline TSI entry-level variant, you get driver seat height adjustment as standard, along with tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel. So finding your comfortable driving position is really easy on this Volkswagen Polo. Now that's all about the front seats and the front part of the cabin of the Volkswagen Polo. Let's quickly get to the back seat. Yes friends, I am right now in the back seat of the brand new Volkswagen Polo Comfortline TSI variant, and this is how the dashboard looks like from the rear seat. The dashboard design may be around 11 years old, but still the quality is impeccable, and the solid build quality has always been the forte of Volkswagen cars, so that is no different over here. So it is alright in terms of equipment as well, despite being the entry-level variant. Now talking about the rear seats, the Volkswagen Polo has never been a really spacious car, and the back seats remain exactly the same. They are pretty comfortable in terms of overall thigh support and the backrest angle as well. However, the lack of legroom is pretty obvious. My height is 5'11" for reference, and I barely have any space to say move around over here, because my legs are pretty long and they are properly lodged in the backrest of the front driver seat. And yeah, this is not for very large adults, but still it is completely all right. Basically, the highlight of the Volkswagen Polo is that it is amazing to drive, exceptional in terms of performance, and solid in terms of build quality and safety as well. That is what makes the Volkswagen Polo sell, and that still remains the case because no other premium hatchback can match the sheer satisfaction of driving a Volkswagen Polo. Now talking about the features available in the back seat, of course you get power windows for both the doors, which is pretty standard, and you get 2 adjustable headrests as standard from the entry level variant itself, so that is pretty rare case to see in today's age and time. The Volkswagen Polo does alright in terms of overall comfort of the seat as well, because the thigh support is pretty damn good despite the lack of obvious legroom. However, another lacking feature is that there is no illumination or cabin lamp for the rear seat passengers. The only cabin lamp is located at the front on top of the front seat passengers. Apart from that, this back seat is completely alright for smaller adults, if not very large adults, and basically that's it. Now let's take a look at the boot space of the Comfortline TSI. Opening the boot space of a Volkswagen Polo has always been an exciting affair, because the Volkswagen badge itself serves as the latch release and lever, And as usual, the Volkswagen Polo provides 280 liters of luggage capacity with really good quality carpeting all over the boot space. This may sound pretty less when you compare with the current crop of premium hatchbacks, however this is still a very usable luggage space. Under the boot floor is a very standard 14-inch steel spare wheel available along with the jack and other tools. And on either side of the luggage bay, the Volkswagen Polo gets bag hooks for your shopping bags and other stuff. That said, a 60-40 split folding rear seat is still absent even on the top spec variant. Of course, the Volkswagen Polo has the option of flat folding rear seats. For that, first you have to fold the seat base forward and then the rear seat bags can be folded flat to improve the luggage capacity of the Volkswagen Polo premium hatchback. That said, the rear seat back does not fold completely flat and the luggage bay itself has quite a step up. But still, with only 2 passengers in the car and the rear seats folded, pretty large items can easily be loaded in the Volkswagen Polo, provided the fact that the front passengers are not too tall. So that was all about the brand new Volkswagen Polo Comfortline TSI's boot capacity and luggage space. Now let's talk about the pricing of this brand new entry-level variant. That was all about the brand new entry-level Comfortline TSI variant of the Volkswagen Polo Turbo Petrol range. Yes, the Volkswagen Polo may be the oldest premium hatchback in the Indian market and it also has the least rear seat space. And yes, it also has the very dated looking interior design. That said, the Volkswagen Polo still offers the best build quality in its category, along with the very famous 1-liter TSI turbo petrol engine. This more affordable Comfortline TSI variant makes the Volkswagen Polo TSI range better value for money than before, despite offering a significant number of features as standard. While the Volkswagen Polo may not be the best value for money premium hatchback in the Indian market, if you are a driving enthusiast and if drive satisfaction is your highest priority, look no further than the Volkswagen Polo TSI. So do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this entry-level Comfortline TSI variant of the Volkswagen Polo. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.